Berria, the esteemed Spanish bicycle brand, has established a reputation for crafting high-performance bikes that cater to the demands of cycling enthusiasts. Now, the brand is making a significant impact in the e-bike scene with its latest offering, the Cayman electric mountain bike. This isn't just an ordinary bike, it's a revolutionary creation that adds an electric twist to the thrill of mountain biking. What sets the Cayman apart is its remarkable 400% pedal assistance, setting a new standard in the world of e-bikes. The name Cayman, whether inspired by the prestigious Porsche or the exotic islands, encapsulates the essence of versatility and top-notch performance. It's a bike that seamlessly transitions from daily commutes to the exhilarating challenges of rugged mountain trails. At the core of the Cayman is Bosch's Performance Line CX race system, a standout in the e-bike industry. The system's lightweight magnesium casing houses a powerful engine that provides an unprecedented 400% pedal assistance. Controlled by Bosch's smart system, the 85 Nm of torque ensures a smooth and potent ride, making uphill climbs as thrilling as downhill descents. However, the Cayman isn't just about power, it's a masterclass in appearance and engineering. The bike boasts a premium suspension setup from Rock Shocks, featuring a 35 Gold RL fork and a Deluxe Select Plus rear shock. This combination guarantees that riders can tackle the most challenging terrains with ease and comfort. Additionally, the 125mm dropper post allows riders to adjust their riding experience at the push of a button, adapting to various terrains effortlessly. The attention to detail extends to the drivetrain, with SRAM NX Eagle components ensuring reliable and precise gear shifts. The hydraulic disc brakes further enhance control and stopping power, providing riders with confidence on any trail. Riding on fulcrum wheels fitted with Vittoria tires, the Cayman promises exceptional grip on all surfaces, ensuring a stable and enjoyable experience for cyclists. With a price tag of approximately $6,370, the Cayman electric mountain bike by Berria comes in a single variant, marking a departure from the brand's usual array of customizable options. However, considering Berria's established reputation for providing a diverse range of choices, it's conceivable that additional configurations may be on the horizon. Even in its current singular form, the Cayman stands as an enticing ticket for outdoor enthusiasts, seeking a perfect blend of power, performance, and exhilaration. This bike caters to both seasoned riders and those new to the world of mountain biking, offering an adventure that is difficult to resist. The Cayman, with its innovative appearance and top-notch components, is a testament to Berria's commitment to delivering a high-quality riding experience. Packed with cutting-edge technology and a powerful electric assist system, this bike is your ticket to exploring the great outdoors with confidence and excitement. Berria's Cayman electric mountain bike represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology, innovative appearance, and a commitment to delivering an unmatched riding experience. As e-bikes continue to gain popularity, the Cayman stands out as a game-changer, catering to both daily commuters and avid mountain bikers who seek the perfect blend of power, performance, and versatility. If you still have questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.